Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first map for the DREAME L10s Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description. So within the DREAME app, we got to select our L10s Ultra Gen 2 and hit that gray center button that says go to the device. We're going to hit that, and now we're at our main screen where you should see this beige button that says start fast mapping at the center of your screen. So we're going to select that. It walks you through proper guidance here, just tidying up your house and putting the unit exactly where you want it to be because you're not going to move it after that. So follow the checklist, hit OK, and now it's going to dispatch. It's going to leave the station. It'll take 5, maybe 10 minutes, depending on how large your house is, to go ahead and map. It'll come back to the station. The map will populate, and it'll give you the option to edit the map if needed. So now we just wait for it to continue mapping. All right, it took 8 minutes to map our environment here. Take a look. It's back on the station and charging. Our map has been populated. Everything looks good. I'm really pleased with it. We have a lot of vacuums and stuff out on the floor, so that's why you're seeing a lot of those spots there. This area for room 3, that's a staircase. It can't even drive down that, so it did a really good job mapping that far down. But the map looks nice, simple and straightforward to make. Now at this point, there's 2 icons on the right-hand center side of your screen that allow you to tweak the map. The first one's your map display icon. It's the map with the little eyeball. The second one's the map with pencil. And this is how you can edit your map to rename the backup, to restore, or delete it. You can partition the rooms. You can change the ground environment. You can add no-go zones and virtual walls. You can place furniture on your map, and you can adjust the cleaning sequence. You also have multi-floor map management if you want to adjust your house type. Maybe you have a multi-floor home. Now you can create another map down at the bottom, map your upstairs or downstairs. You get the idea. So simple, straightforward to create a map with the DREAME L10s Ultra Gen 2. It'll take you 5 to 10 minutes at the most, depending on how large your layout is.